Welcome back. Physical and Health Education 10, walking you through some of the units here. Again, the introduction's done, healthy and active living, physical literacy, mental well-being. Probably know this guy in the middle of the picture, prominent mental health advocate, Michael Landsberg. Okay, just going to look into the course now, or into this unit, see what it's all about. Worksheets on mental health, on exercise and mental health, how important it is to exercise not only for your physical fitness, but also your mental health. Who are you? A little more on brain development, what's happening inside your brain. Drugs and alcohol. Worksheet on drug and alcohol use in young people. Personal philosophy towards alcohol and drugs is going to ask you to interview your parents or the adults that are in your life and ask them about drugs and alcohol, and then what is your philosophy? Healthy sexual decision making. Again, some activities there. Just some information for you to read. An activity, someone's going to come to you with a question and you're going to try and give them some advice on a healthy sexual decision. And the last one again, 20 hours. If you can give me some pictures, videos, websites, just helps me see exactly what you're doing. And I usually almost always give comments on your fitness hours. So again, that is mental health.